Welcome everybody. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 4 apps that will change your financial life. 4 apps that will help you to change the story around. Oh, you're always running out of card, you don't have call card on your phone, or you don't have little token to subscribe data on your phone, all of that. Okay, I'm just going to show you 4 apps that will help you to change your life. Now, number 1 app is OPay app. You can see on OPay app, after you log into the OPay app, if you don't have the link to register, please check the description of this video below. I'm going to drop a link where you can use where you can register. Okay, so if you register with my link, you're going to have a particular token given to you as a welcome cashback. So on OPay app, all you just have to do is, after creating an account, you come to the rewards option, then you make sure that every day you collect your cashback, which is 10 naira every day. So at the end of 30 days, you have 300 naira, of which you can use to buy data, or you can use to buy airtime. That is one. Number 2 app is Lumi. Lumi is another app that allow you to answer simple questions and give you points, which is redeemable in terms of naira, and you can use that naira value to buy recharge card, data, pay for bills, subscription, or anything. So now all you just have to do is come to the home page and click on quiz and survey. When you click on quiz and survey, you come to the activity area. For now, there is no activity. As you can see, you can refresh to see. So I go back to my home page. When I go back to my home page, you can see here in my home page. Okay, let me go back to all. You can see different options here that you have. Okay, so this is a notification to show you that I answered some survey point end, survey point end, survey point, you can see, and I can redeem them in form of airtime and anything I want. I can come to airtimes and mobile top up, so I can either top up with my balance from my wallet, the ones I earn from my little quiz, or I can either decide to fund my wallet. Okay, so another one is Adsen. Adsen is another app that actually pay you some amount of money doing little tax. So if you come to the tax option here, you can see as a beginner you'll be on the bronze level. So you want to click on bronze, then all you have to do is, now for example, when you share this link, when I click on this, you'll be given 30 cents. All you just have to do is copy this text, download this image, post it on your social media. In 1 hour's time, come back here and post the link, and you are given 30 cents for doing just that. And upon registration, you'll be given $9. As you can see in my balance here, you have $9. Do you see? So that is a very good app that pay you for doing just simple tasks. Okay, the fourth one is Fairmoney. Fairmoney is an app, is a microfinance bank that actually give you interest on all your savings every day, and also give you discount on recharge card, data plans, and several other things that you buy from there. I believe you want to check it out. They are very amazing. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you an app that will help you to have great savings over the year just by investing 1,000 naira. Well, you don't need to invest. If you register through my link, you'll be given free shares that you can actually get their dividend or their values within short period of time. So if you don't want to invest, you can actually benefit from that. So I believe if you like this, please just give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you very much.